Restaurants, yes.
Smack her ass. Okay.
What?
Someone donated $200, said smack your ass, so.
$200?
Yeah.
Give me 40.
Alright, deal.
Love me,
I need some
Jesse.
salt. Ah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Ow. Wait, that's a biggie bit.
Biggie bit?
That was 100. Oh wait.
Biggie bit.
Blah, 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 blah. Dude, when they just like all get in the cup at the same time at the top, it's just like. Oh!
Help!
All these balls on my face.
Now I gotta show my moves. Whoa, what's up? Yo, thanks. That's awesome.
You got stream sniped.
You got stream sniped.
Yeah, so people sometimes will watch the streams and they'll like know where we are from like home places, and then they're like, oh.
Sure.
Get some answers.
What the fuck? Why did you do that? What the fuck? Stop. Why are you doing this? Why are you like this?
I was gonna make a joke. You guys wanna hear my joke right now? Hey guys, here we are doing my first IRL stream from inside of a bedroom. I finally feel like a real IRL streamer on Twitch today, guys. Now I know what real IRL stream feels like.
You're putting something in the oven, right?
Give me the backpack.
Okay, wait, why?
What are you?
You're so fucking annoying.
No, you can't do one for chat. What are you?
A sandwich.
An idiot. Wait.
Idiot sandwich.
Wait, no. Is that how it goes? What are you? And you say,
I'm an idiot sandwich.
an idiot sandwich what? Idiot sandwich Jeff. Gumdrop.
What are you doing? What is it actually? I don't
Wait,
know.
you can't use this. It's like, it's what are you? An idiot sandwich. An idiot sandwich what? An idiot sandwich Jeff.
What?
this area. But you
Idiot
can't.
sandwich
I don't
Jeff.
know if you should use these anymore.
Yeah, there goes 2 pieces of bread.
Stick to the.
I tried so hard to stream swipe, who's called? Kimmy.
Oh my god, dude, I swear everyone tries to stream snipe Kimmy. Toast and I try to snipe her too.
Wait, really?
Yes. It's so hard. Dude, that's so funny that you said Kimmy though, because that's who we chose.
I don't know why, I just feel like stream sniping her.
Same! It's just so funny.
To me, it's like stream sniping like your sister who's like new to the game. No offense, Kimmy's like pretty new to the game. Well, not new, but like, not, what's it called? Not as practiced as some of us.
Dude,
So it's just fun to
so
watch her like
funny.
squeal.
Oh yeah, dude, that's so funny. That's.
Little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell last and back.
Whoa!
Gonna go without you and without tears. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed.
Guys!
Jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed.
Whoa!
Jumping on the bed.
Guys!
But I don't know.
Press
know,
F for sleep.
While you're here, you guys can subscribe. You know,
The Fed Nation.
the Fed Nation.
And if you guys unsub from Fed, that makes you a FedEx, right?
Oh my gosh.
I will take all FedExes.
I accept them too. I mean, you can sub to both of us.
Yeah.
Did you tell Fed about his fan at Universal?
I love you guys. I'll be back on Monday. I am going to be the next reliable. I will be the most reliable streamer you'll ever know. I will be the most reliable streamer. Mark my words. I will never let you guys down again. If I say I'm gonna stream, I'm gonna stream.
I got 30 goddamn cards in this deck, and I just need the top 29 of them. Shut them up!
Oh my god, Fed a lava!
You know what, Janet? Sometimes love hurts.
Carlos.
Janet, look. Janet.
Carlos, I can't look right now. I'm too sad.
Janet.
I see the llama. Do you not see the llama?
Janet.
What?
Janet.
What?
Oh fuck, that actually did 55 damage to me. I don't know if that was worth. Is there a med kit, dog? Oh look, I found a llama.
This looks good.
Oh yeah.
Well, wait, what is this?
Listen. Look.
That was the best thing here.
Look. We're struggling out here, right?
It's not bad. Why are you using a plastic sword?
Huh?
You're using a...
Is that bad?
Oh, that's mine.
Is that bad?
Is this your, what happens if you don't like best food, you take this?
What
This
the?
is actually good. I love that.
Dude, someone's gonna fucking screenshot this and like there's two kinds of people in this world.
You need to get a plastic fork?
What's wrong with that? Okay, it's not.
Please. Dude, at the very least.
No?
Fine.
I need to work out again. I've only worked out once this past month. Can you tell? Oh, we can go high def. High definition muscles. Not high def. Like my muscles aren't high definition, but the camera's high definition. You see, chat. I used to be a prime grade A beef back in high school. Not so much these days.
Okay, I'll give you a little push.
I pulled 2 people.
I know.
Like 100 pounds wet.
Are you making fun of me? All right, let's go.
Right.
Chat, we're going on a journey.
All right.
All right, look at the floor. Go, Marcus, let's go. This is camera moves, guys. Camera moves. Ultimate dolly. Look, this even says steady, balance, optics, steady shot.
Yeah, it has a built-in.
That's gonna help me out.
It says, we are Jasmine.
Yeah, look at that guy.
Yeah, Steven's a great, dual partner. He really knows how to encourage his teammates.
He's a great guy.
Yeah, I completely agree. Steven's a wonderful guy.
I want to spend time with him one day.
You should become friends with Steven too. I feel like you two have a lot in common.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you both like being right.
Why are you looking at me? There's not going to be an enemy coming from here. I'm watching this door, okay? When you look at me, it makes me feel like somebody could shoot me in the back. Wait, oh my god!